It's like our own fireworks show, only scary. I really want to get a shot of lightning striking. Oh, okay. Alright, close enough. Yep. That works. Oh, that's so close.
1, 2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you want to
Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. Molly wanted to say hello. Now you're shy. Well, anyway, Derek's home, I'm home, it's crappy out, and we're having beef and broccoli. Would you like to see? Oh yeah, that's going on right now. I still like to look at our magic bands. Would you like to look at them again? Oh, I am so excited. We actually started officially laying out like a itinerary of like which parks and stuff we'll be at. Oh, there's Derek.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. Oops, I don't think I put that on all the way. There we go. Fix it. It's red hot, hot, hot.
Hot, hot, hot. No touch. No
I'm
touch.
excited. I can almost redo our calendar and put our vacation on it. Because you know we have less than 3 weeks.
So I'm sitting here enjoying this fine meal. And it must look pretty tantalizing because this little girl right here. Yeah, that's what I've been looking at. Oh, I want it so bad. Please, Dad, please. This one here is biding her time, but she is shaking. I can feel it in the couch that she is shaking.
Alright.
I so desperately want my food. You know how hard I have to work for this food? And you think I should just give you some because you live here? Hey, I saw that. Anybody, please, just give me food.
Just look at her stare at the food. Molly, more specifically. She was just staring at it. You're gonna start drooling here.
She is. The drool is on its way.
Okay, Sophie. We are locking up the ship here. Whoa. We're battening down the hatches on account of... Oh yeah, that's not plugged in. On account of...
Man. It is just
seriously
flash.
Oh,
I don't know how well they can see it, but it's just one right after the other. The lightning keeps flashing.
There you go, guys. Get your front row seat.
Crazy.
The light over at the...
Oh, it keeps detecting motion.
I wonder why it keeps turning off, though. It's weird.
I don't know. Now we're getting some thunder. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that motion light over there.
It's storming.
It's sturmin'.
It's a stormin'.
It's a sturmin'.
I thought that was Sophie. It was not. It was my broken sandals.
I'm gonna fix them. I promise. Did you want to show our cookies?
Yeah. Look at our cookies.
We made some awesome cookies. Well, we put them in the oven.
Yeah.
Should we show our secret?
Yep. These are white chocolate chip macadamia cookies that we made from scratch, except not.
Cookie cube. It's just a cube of cookie dough. It's very innovative.
Mmm.
So we still
And
have a bunch of
delicious
it.
and easy to make.
Yeah.
And this was Michael's brownie. We also had 2 cookies, but we ate them.
We ate them.
I'm
Those
he-
were delicious cookies.
I'm here to remind you.
Those are delicious cookies. Anytime, Mike. I'll eat them.
Well, because they reminded you of cereal.
Blueberry. Blueberry cereal.
Those
you hear
windows,
that?
yeah, those windows are awful.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how close those windows get.
Whoa. Let's take a look out this side, ladies and gentlemen. See if we can get a little action.
Holy cow.
It's getting closer. Just scary.
Wow. It's like that scene in Jurassic Park where the Tyrannosaurus attacks.
Don't say that.
Oh, I doubt very much that we're gonna get attacked by a Tyrannosaurus.
But still, it's creepy. It's like our own fireworks show, only scary. I really want to get a shot of lightning striking. Oh, okay. All right, close enough. Yep. That works. Oh, that's so close.
So close.
Oh, move to the center of the house. Come here, girls. Stay close.
Sophie is not concerned. Not even a little bit.
What do you think, Sophie? Want me to hold you? Will Mama hold you?
What I was saying was Mike had made blue cookies, and I love the Halloween cereals they put out every year. And these cookies so much reminded me of Blueberry in cookie form. So, those are the happy thoughts that we're going to have as thunder and lightning strikes all around the house. Whoa! That was so big!
OMG. We might die. Right now.
Hey guys, if the vlog is up late yesterday, it was because lightning struck us and we're out of power. I keep looking away every time the big lightning strike happens. Okay, I'm looking.
Get out, like, or don't get too close to the window, never mind. The storm is upon us.
This is crazy.
Surround me somewhere. I must be hitting the lake. Something. I don't know.
I don't know.
It's freaky.
So those situations where I'm seeing very big flashes, but I'm not like actually seeing the bolts of lightning.
Yeah, no.
I don't know, guys. It's
Can you
storming.
close that now?
It's storming. Jessica wants me to close the blind now.
Yeah,
There you go.
I do.
You can stop the.
Look at it. Look at me and the girls.
So cool though.
I think it's cool when it strikes you right in the forehead.
I don't know. I think it's neat.
Sophie, do you think it's neat? Look at us. Do we look like we're impressed?
Not as much as I am. Alright guys, well I've got the video exporting and the storm seems to still be going off around us a little bit, so hopefully we don't lose power, and if we do, the video will be up a little late. If not, then the video went up as normal and no problems. But we're gonna head to bed now. Thanks for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If you'd like to see more videos, be sure to subscribe. We'll be back with another video for you guys tomorrow, but until then, bye guys.
Beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, gotta find a light to follow. And if you do, you have a future real bright. And it's a combination of consistency